Good morning, students. Dear students, today my topic is nitrogen cycle. Organisms continuously use the inorganic mineral components of the ecosystem, but they do not exhaust it. This is because these minerals and components are recovered from the animals' waste and dead bodies of the organisms with the help of decomposers. Thus, these components are recycled in nature. This cyclic path of elements from the abiotic system to the biotic system and again back to the biotic system is called biogeochemical cycle. Biogeochemical cycles are nitrogen cycle, water cycle, carbon cycle, oxygen cycle and nitrogen cycle. Today we study about nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle describes as under nitrogen is also one of the most important substance. It is the part of all proteins, amino acids, nucleic acids, nucleotides, ATP, etc. This is a nitrogen cycle in nature. Atmospheric nitrogen, nitrogen fixation. This is the green plants, protoplasm and animals. Ammonification, then find ammonia and ammonia converted to nitrites and nitrates and then atmospheric nitrogen is received. Nitrification and then denitrification. So air contains about 78% nitrogen. Air contains about 78% nitrogen, but neither plants nor animals are able to utilize it directly as molecular nitrogen. Animals and plants are not used nitrogen directly. Plants can use nitrogen mainly in the form of nitrate ions from the soil. Only certain bacteria such as Azotobacter and Rhizobium and plants, leguminous plants like such as gram, pea, etc. have ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate ions. Leguminous plants, gram and pea have ability to convert nitrogen into nitrate ions. This is called nitrogen fixation. Animal obtain their nitrogen only in the form of food from plants. Some physical agents like high temperature and pressure, lightning, etc. can also convert atmospheric nitrogen into oxides of nitrogen, nitrites and nitrates. These oxides get dissolved. These oxides get dissolved in water and fall on ground along with rain. Along with rain, water fall. These oxides dissolved. These oxides can be used by plants for their biological processes. The dead and decomposed organic matter and animal waste produce ammonia and amino acid. The dead and decomposed organic matter and animal waste produce ammonia and amino acids. This production of ammonia is called ammonification. What is ammonification? Production of ammonia is called ammonification, and on the other hand, nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation, plants have two ability convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate ions. This is called nitrogen fixation, and these are certain microorganisms such as Nitrosomonas, which can convert this ammonia into nitrate ions. Some other microorganisms like Nitrobacter. Nitrobacter can finally convert nitrite ions into nitrate ions. Microorganisms like Nitrobacter can finally convert nitrite ions into nitrate ions. This process is called nitrification. What is nitrification? Process where nitrite ions convert into nitrate ions is called nitrification. Some decomposers like Pseudomonas can reduce nitrate ions. Pseudomonas can reduce nitrate ions back to nitrogen or ammonia. This is called denitrification. What is denitrification? Pseudomonas can reduce nitrate ions back to nitrogen or ammonia. Nitrate ions back to nitrogen and ammonia. This is called denitrification.